What is the nickname of Dadabhai Nauroji? Answer: Grand Old of India. What is the nickname of Rabindranath Tagore? Answer: Gurudev. What is the nickname of Sarojini Naidu? Answer: Nightingale of India. What is the nickname of Subhash Chandra Bose? Answer: Netaji. What is the nickname of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel? Answer: Man of Iron.